Hello, people, and good evening. Welcome to Saturday Night Live Talk with me, Kanan Tandi. And first of all, I'm really sorry that I have been so late today because we were working on something, and today we, as some of you, hi Helen, good to see you. Hi Priscilla. Just very sorry to be very late. Usually I come at 8:30 or every Saturday also, but as you know, we have started this new venture called as the Goan Bakers. So we were selecting a few lucky ones, and we were giving them few Goan sweets. So to deliver that in the Marga and then coming back, all of that took a lot of time. So yeah, that's why I'm like super late. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, Dev, to come online. And like I said, it will not take for me more than 15 minutes. Today I will not take more than 15 minutes. I have not had dinner because I'm like super hungry to deliver all these things. And then I have not been doing this alone. Obviously, I have my team. Like I have my friend, and then I have a supplier. So hi Jofus. So yeah, so we went towards Pajifon and then Boda and then all, and now we came back. Anyway, so Dev, please help me in writing today's topic. Today's topic is the energy expenses that you make in your life, right? So the name sounds kind of cool, but I'll just explain what it is. And it has been suggested by one of my friends, and I found the topic to be really nice. So yeah, so the topic, like I said, is energy expenses you make in your lifetime. Okay, so that's the topic for today. And I thought that this is way out of line today. So yay, Krishna just pinged me. So let me just see if Krishna will be online. Yeah, Krishna will be online soon. And yeah, so let me just check. Yeah, so Dev, the moment you will write the comment, please let me know, because hi Krish, good to see you here. I don't think today we will be able to see Savio because he does not know that I'm this late. Okay, so the energy कुछ ज़्यादा आउट ऑफ सिलेबस होने वाला है. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है देव. The topic is energy expenses that you make in your lifetime, right? So what it means is the simple thing: we have limited energy, all of us. ठीक है? Unless you're Ranveer Singh, your energy is really limited. तो जब भी हम किसी से बात करते हैं, कहीं पे टाइम लगाते हैं, किसी से मिलते हैं, हम कुछ भी करते हैं, अपने टाइम के साथ साथ हम वहां पे लगाते हैं अपनी एनर्जी. डिड यू नॉट गेट द कमेंट टुनाइट्स टॉपिक? तो किया मैंने. है कहीं तो ऊपर चला गया वो यार, मुझे नहीं आया. देव, आई डिड नॉट रिसीव इट. हाय मिताली, गुड टू सी यू. आई होप आई गेट टू सी योर वीडियो सून. So like I said, whenever you meet someone or whatever wherever you're putting your time in, you are also putting in your energy, right? So be very mindful of that. Yeah, Abhishek. So when जब भी हम किसी से मिलते हैं, हम किसी से मिलने के बाद हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं. And there are also some people with whom when you meet, you do not feel good. It just feels that they are extracting all your energy, right? Yes, nahi yaar Dev, I still didn't get it. I don't know what is the problem. Dev, I still did not get it. I do not know why am I not getting it. So yeah, so like when I say today we will be talking about energy expenses, this is what I mean. Usually a person has लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, राइट? बहुत कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी एनर्जी लेवल बहुत हाई रहती है हमेशा. समटाइम्स आई कंसिडर माई सेल्फ इन इट, राइट? एनीवन एल्स? Krish, can you please help me in writing the topic for today? energy expenses that you make in your lifetime? पता नहीं देव तुम्हारे वो नहीं आ रहे. I'm getting all the other comments, but I'm not getting the topic name. So another thing, when you have people like this in your life, it depends on who are you meeting. It depends on who are you interacting with, where are you putting in your time, all of that, right? Be mindful of that. And second thing is, you also need to know who are these people who are sucking all your energy up, right? So when we talk about energy being sucked up, when you meet, okay, yeah Dev, I got it. ठीक है, तुमने बहुत ही गुस्से में लिखा है, मुझे समझ में आ गया. Yeah. Now how to conserve that energy? ठीक है, तो हम law of energy की बात करते हैं. जैसे it can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can just be converted from one form to another form. Just in the same case, the energy that you conserve in your body will also be converted in some form. Yes, finally, Dev. So, and that will be either when you feel like something has taken up all your energy, you feel frustrated, right? You feel I'll not say depressed, because that's not a word you should be using in like nowadays. So it should be something where you feel annoyed, right, or sad. No matter what it happens, you will not be happy. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि आपकी एनर्जी चली जाती है और आपको अच्छा महसूस होता है, अरे वाह कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, I do not have energy. Nobody feels like that, right? So the kind of job that you are into, right? If you are in a kind of work, it can be a course, anything, a person, wherever you are investing your time, if it is not giving you the satisfaction, if it is not giving you like at least to conserve, so it's sort of like choices we make in a way. Well, yes, it's sort of that. Today you seem to be a science teacher. Yeah, Helen. So I'll tell you why it is happening, because I met a couple of people, and then by meeting them, you just feel low, right? So energy, like I said, it cannot be created, nor can it be destroyed. It can just be transferred from one form to another form, right? So what energy you have, it can be converted into something positive. It also can be converted into something negative, right? So whatever course you are enrolled for, whatever project you have worked in, whatever job you are in, it should give you some kind of positivity. Okay? Now, let's say you are in something which you or the other people will call as boring. If right from the beginning you find it boring, you find it negative, you find it exhaustive, it is not going to give you success or happiness in any way. I for once can tell you that go for happiness, but that happiness should also give you success. मैं ये नहीं बोलती कि अपने मन के लिए काम करो, or just follow your heart, all of that. No, you need to follow your heart and your mind together. Sometimes there is this not the frequency between each other does not match, but whenever there is heart and your brain together, or heart and mind, that is the line you should be going for, right? So I'll just explain about this one friend of mine. Okay, so whenever I meet her, every time she has something negative to say about somebody, right? दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा बुरा उसी के साथ हो रहा है, सबसे ज्यादा बुरी जॉब उसकी है, सबसे ज्यादा पैथेटिक लाइफ उसकी है, सबसे ज्यादा बुरे लोग उसके लाइफ में हैं, उसको ट्रैवलिंग में प्रॉब्लम है, सुबह उठ के नहाने में प्रॉब्लम है, उसको हर चीज में प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? बट नाउ whenever you meet such people, after that you feel that, oh my god, like I'm just not feeling good. It can be, by the way, it can be anybody, right? And I hate to say this, but sometimes it can be one of your parents also, right? You feel that acha theek hai, let me just hear her, right? And then probably you're speaking to one of your parents and they start speaking negative, and that negative, you will think that theek hai, abhi band hoga, abhi band hoga, abhi band hoga, and then it will just not stop. Now if you are very good in managing your emotion, it is totally fine. But if that is something which starts affecting you, then that is not fine, right? So at that point of time, you need to understand that even if it can be anything, like I said, can be your brother, sister, your wife, husband, your best friend, mom, dad, anyone. But whenever you are spending time with that one person and the person keeps on speaking negative, you are giving your energy to it, right? So you need to understand when to put it to a stop, right? If you are like me, probably you will just try to avoid the topic or try to change the topic, but then the person comes and brings back the topic to the same thing. Then what do? You probably tell them that I just can't do it. I'm already tired. So you have to say that in a nicer way, right? So how does it's not possible that किसी के लाइफ में सब पॉजिटिव हो. This is also not possible that किसी के लाइफ में सब नेगेटिव हो. Okay, so Dev says shit, gotta go, just got a text, I hinted in our chat. Okay, all the best, Dev. I'll see you on Friday. Okay, bye bye, all the best. So yeah, so like I said, when we talk about all this energy expenses, think about it. It can be, by the way, it can be, for me, for a really long time, they were newspapers. हर सुबह उठ के मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती थी, and every day I used to find these negative news. कोई मर गया, किसी के घर में चोरी हो गई, कहीं पे कुछ हो गया, and there was a couple of, like I recently started living alone, and not recently, 4 years, right? And when I started living alone, when I say alone, I'm not like fully alone. There are still people, but when I say alone, without mom, dad, or without my brother, it's that alone. So I started getting scared of unknown things. और मेरा favorite serial तो था सावधान इंडिया, right? और सावधान इंडिया नहीं होने से क्राइम पेट्रोल तो था ही, right? तो ये जो दो चीजें हैं, ये आपको और भी बहुत दुनिया पे भरोसा करना सिखा देती है, राइट? सो हाय लावण्या, आई होप यू हैड डिनर. आई एम सो सॉरी दैट बिकॉज ऑफ मी यू गॉट मोर लेट. ओके, सो लाइक आई सेड, जब आपको सावधान इंडिया और क्राइम पेट्रोल देखने की आदत हो जाती है, तब आप दुनिया पे हर किसी पे बहुत भरोसा करते हैं. जिससे भी आप मिलते हैं आपको लगता है ये इंसान बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है, मैंने अभी जो भी कहा उसको जस्ट ऑपोजिट कर दो, राइट? सो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट एंड आई फेल्ट सो स्कैर्ड ऑल द टाइम. लाइक ओहो, मैं यहाँ पे गाड़ी पार्क करूंगी तो पीछे से कोई आके मुझे मार देगा. व्हाट इफ पीपल नो दैट आई एम लिविंग अलोन, देन समबडी विल कम एंड किल मी, or somebody will commit a robbery. ओ मेरे लिए हलवा है, अच्छा तो इसको नहीं, उसको ऐसा करो, गरम कर दो. रुको, ऐसा करो, ठंडा वाले कटोरी में दे दो थोड़ा सा. अभी थोड़ा सा दे दो, बाद में लोगों के साथ फिर से खा लूंगी. So these are the things that I wanted to tell, that whenever you surround yourself from such things which takes up your energy, be mindful of that. अगर सामने वाला आपको हंसा नहीं पा रहा है तो आपको अपसेट नहीं करे. think about all this, that is very important. ठीक है, हर कोई हमारे लिए जोकर नहीं है, हर कोई हमारे लिए एंटरटेनर नहीं है, कि किसी की रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है कि आपके लाइफ में आकर के आपको खुश ही रखना है. लेकिन अगर आपके लाइफ में आकर के कोई आपको दुखी कर रहा है या कोई आपको टेंशन दे रहा है, तो ऐसे लोगों से आपको बाय बाय बोल देना चाहिए. ओके, आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट हैज टू बी डन लाइक डायरेक्टली, बट देन इट नीड्स टू बी डन विद केयरफुल स्टेप्स. right? So think about that. Very, very, very important. So that's why I just came. And anyway, I said that this will be a very short session, only for 15 minutes. So bottom line is, wherever you are putting up your energy, you should get something positive, right? The positive can be in terms of happiness, in terms of money, in terms of success. When I say happiness, by demeaning somebody else, if you are getting a happiness, that is not a happiness, right? So yeah, somebody is giving me a lot of love. So yeah, Indra, my god, you're super late, but yeah, I just need to go. I will have my dinner. I'm super hungry. And people, thank you so much for coming and joining. Just to tell you the recap. Whatever course you have enrolled for, whatever people you're surrounding yourself with, whatever job you are in, they always take up some energy from you. धन्यवाद. ऐसे कीजिए ना, एक और कटोरी में थोड़ा सा हलवा निकाल दीजिए. That's fine. Actually ये हलवा जो है वो मेरी माता ने हमको भेजा है उड़ीसा से. तो या उड़ीसा से गोवा तक हलवा आया है. So yeah, that's all from my end. Thank you so much, Krish. Thank you so much, Mitali. Thank you so much, Sarvesh. Lavanya, thank you so much for the boxes also, for the help also, for the ribbon also. And Indra, thank you so much. Joe first, thanks a lot for being here. Chaitanya, thank you. Pratyush, thank you so much. And Prajna, thank you so much. And good night.